look at the lesson again, or for the people that are absent. Okay, here we go. These are similar triangles. And again, yeah, I got this scenario where one triangle is kind of on top of the other one right there. Oh, I'm sorry. What the heck am I doing? Here we go. I forgot to give you one. Sorry. Anybody I missed? I didn't give you the notes? Okay, guess what? Stop. You don't have to redraw these. Listen, this is going to be easier than the other ones. Like, the other ones before this, you had to like redraw it and all that stuff. You don't have to do that for these. When it's just the sides, when it's just the side with the side, and then it's just the side with the side, you don't have to redraw it. You can just set up a proportion like this, okay? You don't have to separate them and do all that. You don't have to add this side. We want these individual pieces, these individual parts. And honestly, you could just set it up right here. Look, it almost says the fraction right here. 12 over 3 equals 2. Guess what I'm going to put over here? 12 over 3 is equal to what? What? No, that's the fraction on this side. What's going to be the fraction on this side? I put 12 over 3. What am I going to put over here? X over 4. It's almost like already written for you right there. 12 over 3 equals X over 4. Wow, here we go. These are the super easy ones, right? Cross multiply to solve this. And you're going to get what? 3x equals whatever 12 times 4 is. 3x is equal to whatever 12 times 4 is. That's going to be 3x equals 48. 12 times 4 is 48. And you're going to get x is equal to what? 48 divided by 3. Well, we're in luck today, right? Some of them you actually do get nice answers. Yeah, 48 is divisible by 3. 48 divided by 3. We get 16. 16's correct. Okay, that would be the answer for this part, for side x. X is 16. So for this assignment for today, when you just got the sides like this, you don't have to separate them and look at them that way. You could just do it here. Okay, let's go to the second one, this one. Yeah. No, I'm recording it. I'm going to upload the video and you can watch it. Okay, let's call this side x. Which side am I going to find? Guess. Which side is the side we're going to look for? It's not going to be any of these middle side. It's going to be just these outside edges like this. All right, we can write the proportion. It's almost looking at you right there. What are we going to write? 9 over 3. 9 over 3 is equal to what? 15 over x. Okay. 9 over 3 is equal to 15 over x. Can I ask you something real quick, just to see what you guys think? What if somebody does this? What if somebody does 3 over 9? They go this way. Like, what if somebody goes 3 over 9 equal to, and they go x over 15? Would that be okay? Would that be okay? If I go 3 to 9 and then I go x to 15 and somebody sets it up this way, you'll see that we'll actually get, it is going to be okay. If you're going from bottom to top, go to bottom to top. If you're going from top to bottom, go from top to bottom. But see here, when you cross multiply, you'll get 9x equals what? 15 times 3? Well, 15 times 3 is 45. And if you cross multiply over here, you see you'll get the same thing. Look, you'll get the same thing. You'll get 9x equals So you'll still get the same thing. The people that make mistakes are the ones that say, oh, 9 over 3, they go top to bottom, and then they'll put this one bottom to top. Oh, no, don't do that. If you're going from top to bottom, put 9 over 3, and then put 15 over x. Don't put x over 15. That changes the ball game. Does everybody know that 9 does multiply into 45 evenly? X equals 5. All right, we're getting some with some good answers. All right, those two were the easy ones. Let's look at the bottom ones. I told you they were going to have these expressions, right? But again, it's just the sides. It's just the sides and the sides over here. So you can pretty much already write it down, right? What is this one going to be? X plus 5 over what? 15. X plus 5 over 15 equals 2, right? This one from the top and this one on the bottom equals 2. What are you going to put over here? 5x plus 1 over 35. That's it. That's the setup. Now we got to solve it. Ooh. All right, we did one like this. We cross multiply, same deal. Don't say we don't know this. We do. Cross multiply. And which one do you start with? It doesn't matter which one you start with, okay? It doesn't matter. So I'm going to start with this side. I'm going to start with that side. So that's going to be 15 times 5x plus 1. Don't be trying to multiply right now. Just set it up. 15 times 5x plus 1 equals, now go this way. 35 times what? X plus 5. Okay, and just to save time, I'm going to distribute for you. I'm going to distribute and give you the numbers right here. 15 times 5, I think, is 75. Let me check that. It is 15 times 5? Yeah. That's 75x plus 15. See, a lot of people don't put a 1 right there, right? 15 times this one, and then 15 times this one. Equals 35 times x is just 35x. Now, 35 times 5, I don't know that one. 175? All right. 35 times 5. Yes, sir. What happens here? I got 75x, and then a number here, and then I got an x over here. Here's the equal sign, and then a number here. I don't want numbers and variables all over the place. So which ones are you going to move? I'm going to move this one over here. I'm going to erase it from here, but when it comes to this side, what is it going to be? It's positive over here, right? It's positive. Here's the equal sign. Here's the equal sign. If it's positive over here, but I throw it to the other side, it's going to become negative. So put it underneath, and we'll subtract it right now. Yeah. And actually, the same thing over here. This one's a positive 15. It's positive 15, but when it crosses over and you throw it to the other side, it becomes what? Negative. Correct. Good. All right, what do we got left? We got all the x's on this side. We got all the numbers on this side. That's going to be 75. Take away 35 is 40, no? Yeah. 40. 40x, right? That's this when you sub 75 take away 35. Angel, what are we doing? And that's 175 take away 15. 160. Oh, this is going to give us a good answer too. Oh my God, all the example problems are nice answers. What the? Does 40 times something give you 160? Yeah. If you don't know, just do 160 divided by 40. The answer is 4. 4. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Just set this one up. Don't solve it. Just set this one up. This last one, do it with a pencil because a lot of you are probably going to erase. I bet you a lot of you are going to get this one wrong. Go ahead and just set it up and let me see what happens here. Because if you set it up wrong, then it's never going to come out right. So we got to make sure you set it up right. All right, this segment with this segment, the x plus 2 over the 4x plus 3, good. Equal to what? Who can tell me what you wrote right here on this side? 4 over what? Do I want 16? No, if you put 16, that's wrong. I want just this piece over this piece, and I just want this piece, and I should have this piece, but it didn't give me a number there. It didn't give you a number there, but can you find it? Can you find it? Let's see, if this thing's 16, and this part's 4, well, hello, just subtract, right? What's going to be right there? What has to be right here? A 12, right? So you got to put that. They didn't put the 12 for you directly, but you can find it real quick. So this fraction over here should be 4 and not 16. 4 and you got to find this little part right here. Well, like I said, just subtract. Right? Because these two have to add up to 16. Okay, that should be 4 over 12. After that, we cross multiply. Oops, we cross multiply, and we should be able to. That's the setup. Make sure it's set up correctly. Cross multiply. I'm gonna go this way first. This way. 4 times 4x plus 3 equals. Angel, tomorrow you guys are not gonna sit next to each other. 12 times what? Twelve times what, Fernando? Wrong. Huh? Oh, what a lucky guess. X plus 2. Okay, I'm just going to finish it real quick. Okay, I'm going to multiply. I'm going to distribute for you. 4 times this and 4 times this. That's 16x plus 12. 4 times 4 is 16 and 4 times 3 is 12. Ooh, it got sloppy. Equals, and then 12 times each of these. That's going to be 12x plus, don't put a 2 right there. 12 times x, 12 times 2, 24, huh? If you put a 2, you messed up. All right, and what happens? So I need to move all the x's to one side, all the numbers to the other side. We've been doing this. Let's see. What do I move? Well, this positive 12x is going to leave this side. It's going to come to this side. It's going to become negative 12x. Yes. And this positive 12 number is going to go from this side to this side. But when it goes to this side, if it's positive 12 here, it's going to be negative 12 over here. All right. What do you get there? What do you get there? 16 take away 12, that's 4x equals. Oh, all of them are going to give us good answers. What a miracle. 24 take away 12 is 12. The answer is 3, right? Because 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, let me stop the video. There you go. If you need to see the examples again.